Constant rate. Constant rate means dV by inflated means volume changes. When you blow air, the volume changes. So dV by dt is constant. Initially, its radius is, all of you know the rule of separating the variables. D term should be in numerator. So if you want to convert differential equation to equation, you need to integrate equation. So now this is differential equation. Convert it into, or find general solution, then find particular solution, then you will get the answer. You know, to find slope of line joining point, so you can take difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of differential equations. So now in the exercise 9.4, for the differential equation x y dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into x y plus 2, find the solution of the curve passing through 1 comma minus 1, means find the equation. So here find the equation of the curve passing through. So they gave differential equation, you have to find equation by solving it. So now they gave x into y into dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. Please understand, we have to do separable and variable, or separating the variables. So I taught you the rule, dx should not be in denominator, transfer it to RHS. So x plus 2 into dx, and this x you bring it to LHS, it will become divided by x, and y plus 2 should be with dy. So dy divided by this y plus 2, and already we have y here, y divided by y plus 2 into dy. Now integrate both sides. So when you integrate both sides, LHS y by y plus 2 is there. So numerator plus 2 is missing. So add and subtract 2. All of you know how to integrate. Y plus 2 minus 2 divided by y plus 2, I'll write, into dy is equal to, split this. This can be written as x by x plus 2 by x dx. So now this can be written as y plus 2 divided by y plus 2 minus 2 divided by y plus 2 into dy. Integration of x cancels, it will be 1 plus 2 by x dx. So now I can cancel again y plus 2, y plus 2. So it will become integration of 1 dy minus 2, I'll take it out, integration of 1 plus y plus 2 dy is equal to integration of 1 dx plus 2, you take it out, integration of 1 by x dx. So now from here we'll continue, integration of 1 dy minus 2 times 1 plus y, 1 by y plus 2 dy. So after this we have to integrate. If you integrate, integration of 1 is y, then minus 2 times log of y plus 2 is equal to x, integration of 1 dx is x, then integration of 2 times 1 by x is plus 2 log x plus c. After integration, call this as general solution, that is 1, equation 1. But they told the point, what is the point? 1 comma minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1 means in the place of x you should put 1, in the place of y you should put minus 1. So here y is there, so put minus 1, 2 times log of, again I have y, y means minus 1 plus 2 plus x plus 2 times log x, x is what? 1 plus c. Now simplify, it will become minus 1 minus 2 times log of 2 minus 1 is 1, x plus 2 log 1 plus c. All of you know log 1 value is 0, so minus 1 minus 2 into 0 is equal to x plus 2 times 0 plus c. So this will become, LHS is minus 1 x plus c, sorry, x value you have to substitute. What is x? They give 1. So minus 1 is equal to 1 plus c, or you will get c is equal to minus 1, c is exactly minus 2. Substitute the c value. So substitute 2 in 1, substitute equation 2 in 1. So equation 1 becomes y minus 2 times log of y plus 2. Log of y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 times log x minus 2. Further, if you want, you can simplify this. All log terms you transfer one side. Y, bring x to this side. Y is equal to x minus 2 plus 2 log x plus 2 log of y plus 2. And further, you can take 2 common. So it will become x minus 2. 2 if you take common, it will become log x plus log y plus 2. Now further, log a plus log b, x minus 2 times 2 into log a plus log b is log a into b, x into y plus 2. So now this is y is equal to x plus log of x into y plus 2 the whole square minus 2. This is the end answer. I hope all of you got this. Now find the equation of tangent of a curve passing through the point 0 comma minus 2. Given that at any point xy on the curve, the product of the slope of its tangent and y coordinate at the point is equal to x coordinate. Means they gave the product of slope of tangent. All of you know slope of tangent means dy by dx. Product means what? Into. Product of slope of tangent and y coordinate. Y coordinate means y to the curve at the point is equal to x coordinate of the point. X coordinate of the point means x. See, slope of tangent. So in application of derivatives, you studied slope of tangent is what? Dy by dx. What is slope of tangent to the curve? Dy by dx. So this is a basic. So now this is the differential equation. Now what they want? They want equation. So if you want to convert differential equation to equation, you need to integrate. So to integrate, separate the variables. So y dy is proper. I'll rearrange y into dy, I'll write dx you transfer to LHS, it will become x dx. Now variables are separated, integrate both sides. If you integrate both sides, LHS becomes integration of y dy, RHS becomes integration of x dx. Integration of y is y square by 2, integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Now call it as equation 1. And they told at the point, they gave the point is what? 0 minus 2. This is general solution. Okay, now we have y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now what we need to do? This is equation 1 and they gave a point. What is the point given? Point given is 0 minus 2. Point is 0 comma minus 2. Means in the place of x and y substitute it. In the place of x put 0, in the place of y put minus 2. LHS becomes minus 2 the whole square by 2. RHS becomes 0 square by 2 plus c. So 4 by 2 is equal to 0 plus c. 2 ones are 2s are. So you got the value of c. What is the value of c? C is equal to 2. So call it as equation 1. Call it as equation 2. So substitute equation 2 in 1. Equation 2 in 1. Then equation 1 becomes y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. C means what? In the place of c put 2. So now this is the final answer. To write it in standard form, multiply 2 on both sides. Multiply 2 on both sides. So 2 cancels, it will be y square. 2 cancels, it will be x square. 2 2s are 4. So we have y square is equal to x square plus 4, or y square minus x square is equal to 4, or x square minus y square equal to 4. So this is the equation. I hope all of you got this. Now, any point x comma y of a curve, the slope of tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to this. Minus 4 minus 3. Find the equation of the curve. See, there is a curve. There is a slope of tangent at point of contact. Point of contact I call it as xy. And for the from this minus 4 3, what is given? Slope of tangent. So given slope of tangent is equal to TGTL, right? Is equal to twice. Twice means what? 2 times. slope of point of contact and this means what? Slope of, I call this as P and A, slope of PA. Let us assume point of contact is xy, this point of contact. So now what is slope of tangent? Dy by dx. Is means what? Is equal to twice means 2 times slope of PA. How to find slope of line joining points? You know, to find slope of line joining points, you can take difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. That is y2 minus y1. It will become y minus of minus 3, y plus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, x minus of minus x plus 4. Now you have this. Now rearrange this. If you rearrange, we'll get dy is equal to 2 times y plus 3. That is 2 times y plus 3 by x plus 4 dy by dx. So now do variable separable. Separate the variables. Can I write this as dy divided by y plus 3 is equal to 2 times dx divided by x plus 4. Now variables are separated. All of you know the rule of separating the variables. D term should be in numerator. Transfer it to numerator. And functions of x should be with dx. Functions of y club with dy. Now integrate both sides. So integration of this is log of y plus 3. And 2 is constant. Integration of this is log of x plus 4 plus c. Or it is equation 1. Integral constant. In order to find integral constant, they gave a hint. What is the hint given? The point is minus 2, 1. So point is minus 2, comma 1. So in the place, so point is minus 2, comma 1. This is x, this is y. In the place of x and y, substitute it. So it will become log of y. What is y? 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 times log of x plus 4. What is x? Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to plus c. Now you know this is log 4. This is 2 log 2 plus c. You know 2 log 2 is what? 2 log 2 is log 2 power 2. M log a. M log a is log a power m. So log 4 is equal to log 4 plus c. So what is c now? Log 4 divided by log 4. Sorry, log 4 minus log 4, c becomes 0. Transfer this side. Log 4 minus log 4, 0. C is 0. Substitute c. So put c is equal to 0 in equation 1. So now equation 1 becomes what? Log of y plus 3 is equal to 2 times log of x plus 4 plus 0. Now rearrange. So it will become log of y plus 3 is equal to log of x plus 4 the whole square. So now bring this log of y plus 3 minus log of x plus 4 the whole square is equal to 0. Now it is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log of y plus 3 divided by x plus 4 the whole square is equal to 0. Or take, if you want to remove the log on both sides, take e power on both sides. So y plus 3 divided by x plus 4 the whole square is equal to e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 the whole square. Because anything power 0 is 1. 1 into this is this. That is the final answer. So here simplification plays an important role. M log a can be written as log a power m. And this c value is anyhow 0. So this is gone. So bring this side. Log a minus log b becomes log a by b, that is 0. And if you want to remove log, take e power on both sides. Or log base e goes that side to become e power. E power this number 0. E power 0 is 1. So y plus 3 by x plus 4 is whole square is 1. Transfer that side, you will get it. Here, what is e power 0? E power 0 is 1. Next. The volume of spherical balloon is being inflated changes at a constant rate. So if initially its radius is 3 units and after 3 seconds it is 6 units. find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. So now they gave dV by dt, volume of spherical balloon inflated at the rate of what? Balloon at the rate of constant rate. Constant rate means dV by inflated means volume changes. When you blow air, the volume changes. So dV by dt is constant. Initially, its radius is 3. Initial means what? When time t is 0, its radius is 3 units. And after t is equal to 3 seconds, when time is 3 seconds and radius is 6 units. Along that, find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. They want radius of the balloon at t seconds. So for that, first we need to create or convert this to equation. So now this is differential equation. Convert it into or find general solution, then find particular solution, then you will get the answer. Now dV by dt, what is volume? Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiate both sides. So dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi is constant into d by dt of r cube. Sorry, dV by dt, differentiate both sides, or dV by dt is d by dt of r cube. So now dV by dt value is 4 by 3 pi 3r square into dr by dt. Now this is the differential equation, but they told dV by dt is constant. So LHS is k. K is equal to 4 by, so 3 cancels. It will be 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now do variable separable. If I do variable separable, k dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr, or I'll say 4 pi r square into dr is k dt. Now integrate both sides. If you integrate both sides, LHS is integration of 4 pi r square dr, RHS is integration of k dt, integration 4 pi is constant, integration of r square is r cube by 3, integration of k dt is kt plus c. Got it as equation 1. So now we got this. So this is the value. When t is 0, r is 3. That's what they told. Substitute it. So 4 pi 3 cube by 3 is equal to k is 0. K into 0 plus c, you will get c. 1 3 3 square, it will become 3 square 9, 9 4s are 36 pi is c. Got the value of after you get the value of c. After you get the value of c, then substitute c in 1. Put c is equal to, what is the c value you got? 36 pi. 36 pi in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 4 pi r cube divided by 3 is equal to kt plus 36 pi. Now at a time t is equal to how many seconds they saw? See, there are two constant k and c. C we got. To get k, they gave a hint. So what is the hint? At t is 3, r is 6. At t is 3, r is 6. Substitute this. 4 pi 6 cube by 3 is equal to k into t is what? 3 is plus 36 pi. Now simplify this. So now 4 pi 6 into 36 by 3 is equal to 3k plus 36 pi. 3 ones are 3 twos are 36 twos are 72. 72 or 4 twos are 8. Simplify this. So 3k is equal to 8 times 36 pi plus minus 36 pi. Bring this to this side. So 3k becomes 7 times 36 pi. I'll write. I'm subtracting, they're like terms. This is 36 pi, this is also multiple of 36. 4 to the 8 pi. 36 pi minus 36. 8 times 36 pi minus the 7 times. So you got 3k. We want k. So that is k is equal to 7 into 36 pi divided by 3. So k is equal to 7 into 3 ones are 3. 1s are 3, 2s are 12, 7 in 12 pi. K is 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84 pi. You got k. Substitute k in equation. So put K and C in equation 1. So now equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? 4, okay, 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to K you got, what is K you got? 84 pi plus pi t plus C is what? What is the C value you got? C value is, we got C value here 36 pi. Now all are divisible by pi, so divide by pi on both sides. If you divide by pi on both sides, pi cancels. Further simplification, you will get the value. Finally, we can simplify this. So you will get 4r cube, 4 pi r cube is equal to 84 into 3t minus 36 into 3, that's it. Now all are divisible by 4 divided by 4. Sorry, this pi is gone. So r cube is equal to 4 2s are 4 1s are 21 into 3t minus 9 into 3. So finally r cube is equal to 363 plus 27, 63t plus 27. So I'll write r value is 63t plus 27 power 1 by 3. So dear students, in today's class, I taught different problems wherein we converted the differential equation to what? Normal equation, and we got the solution. So similarly, we have commercial problems like this. In a bank, principal increases at the rate of, means rate of change of principal dp by dt. How much they told? At the rate of r%, r by 100 of initial. So now solve this differential equation to get the answer and apply the given condition. I hope, I expect you people to solve 20 and 21 so that I'll do the same at the end. So till now, whatever the problems I have done, so till 19, 20, 20 I gave a hint, the differential equation, and later whatever they have given, substitute and get an equation. Same thing in 21. So 21 also, the rate is increasing at the rate, the principal is increasing at the rate d by dt is 5% of principal, and they give the condition, create general equation and solve it. Try to complete these problems. I'll see you in my next session. So the remaining problems, I'll expect you people to complete. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.